Navy Federal Credit Union and PenFed Credit Union are definitely in the top 3 credit unions that you guys can possibly be banking with in America. Navy Federal Credit Union has over 13 million members that are currently banking with them right now, while PenFed, on the other hand, has almost 3 million members that are currently banking with them right now. The reason why Navy Federal has over 10 million more members than PenFed that are currently banking with them is because not only are they the #1 credit union in America, but they're just significantly better in terms of the products and the opportunities that they offer. So what I want to talk about in this video is 6 reasons why Navy Federal Credit Union is better than PenFed. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end, so that way you guys don't skip out on any valuable information between these 2 credit unions that can help you out. If you're already subscribed, then welcome back. But if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Ismael Sandiford, and you are now watching Just Money, where we talk about financial related topics such as personal and business credit, real estate, and other financial related topics. So if that's something you're into, then you're probably going to want to consider subscribing. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. So jumping right into it, the first reason that makes Navy Federal Credit Union better than PenFed is that Navy Federal Credit Union has a secure credit card that they offer for building credit, while PenFed Credit Union, on the other hand, does not. PenFed used to have a secure credit card that they offered back in the day. However, nowadays, unfortunately, that is no longer an option. PenFed only offers unsecured credit cards to people who have above average credit. So if you guys have a credit score below a 700, then to be honest, it's going to be a little hard for you guys to get approved for one of their credit cards. But the fact that Navy Federal does offer a secure credit card, so that way people out there can start building their credit, puts Navy Federal in a whole nother ball game. If you guys want to know more about the Navy Federal and Rewards secure credit card, I actually made a full in-depth video on it not too long ago. So if you guys want to watch that, then feel free to browse my YouTube channel or hit the link in the description below. Or just wait till this video's done, and then I'll put it at the end of this video so that way you guys can watch it. But the second reason why Navy Federal is better than PenFed is because of their pledge loan, aka a savings secured loan. Now don't get me wrong, PenFed Credit Union definitely offers a savings secured loan as well, and not only do they offer that as well, but it will also not be a hard pull on your credit, just like Navy Federal. But the reason why getting a savings secured loan with Navy Federal is better is because as soon as you guys start banking with Navy Federal, then you can get one immediately. If you guys just started banking with PenFed Credit Union, you have to have that money you want to get a savings secured loan with in your savings account for at least 30 days prior to applying. So the money has to be seasoned inside your guys' savings account for at least 30 days if you guys want a share loan, aka a savings secured loan with PenFed Credit Union. If somebody's looking to start building their credit right away and they just started banking with PenFed Credit Union, then at minimum, you're going to have to wait at least 30 days to get a savings secured loan with them to start building your credit. To whereas Navy Federal, on the other hand, as soon as you guys start banking with them, then you guys can apply for a pledge loan, aka a savings secured loan, immediately. But moving on to reason number 3 now of why Navy Federal is better than PenFed. The third reason why Navy Federal Credit Union is better than PenFed is because they will let you do a credit limit increase with a soft pull on your credit if you guys do it on the app. PenFed, on the other hand, will definitely pull your credit with a hard pull if you guys are looking to get a credit limit increase. And honestly, I just feel like at that point, you might as well apply for a whole nother credit card that is going to give you a really good welcome bonus if your credit is going to be pulled. I will say that PenFed sometimes, very rarely, will give you an automatic credit limit increase if you use them as your primary bank and you have an extremely good banking relationship with them. That, and then you just also have to have a very good credit history in general. But honestly, the chances of PenFed Credit Union giving you an automatic credit limit increase with a soft pull is going to be extremely rare. It's like winning a Willy Wonka golden ticket from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. But if you are one of the few that does receive this golden ticket, then yes, PenFed will automatically increase your credit limit without a hard pull, and they will send you a letter in the mail updating you on this matter. But ladies and gentlemen, 99% of the time, a credit limit increase with PenFed will always be in a hard pull. But now moving on to the fourth reason of why Navy Federal Credit Union is better than PenFed. The fourth reason why Navy Federal is better than PenFed is because with all the reward points that you're earning on your Navy Federal credit cards, those can be redeemed for cash back. PenFed Credit Union only allows you to do this on one of their credit cards, and the name of that credit card is going to be the Power Cash Rewards Visa Signature credit card. All of the other credit cards that PenFed has that offer reward points will not let you redeem for cash back. And a few examples of ways you can redeem your reward points with PenFed on the other credit cards are going to be for travel through the PenFed portal. They'll also let you redeem your reward points for gift cards, or you can redeem your reward points for shopping through their website. And actually, another thing that you guys can actually do is donate your reward points to charity if you guys are into that. But for me personally, I'm team cashback, always have been, always will be. Comment down below if you guys are team cashback too. To be honest, if PenFed didn't have that Power Cash Rewards credit card, I literally would not be interested in any PenFed credit card whatsoever, because cashback to me is very important. But moving on to our fifth reason now of why Navy Federal is better than PenFed. The fifth reason why Navy Federal is better than PenFed is because Navy Federal allows you to do something called a product change from one of their credit cards onto another. And not only will they let you do this, but this will also not be a hard pull on your guys' credit. PenFed Credit Union, on the other hand, will not let you do a product change from one of their credit cards onto another because they simply just don't offer that. The only thing you can literally do with PenFed if you guys want another credit card with them is just literally apply for another credit card, but then at that point it's going to be a hard pull on your credit. So that to me personally is kind of a little bogus, not gonna lie, and I'm not really rocking with it. Because when Navy Federal, I've done a few product changes before with this hack or trick or whatever you want to call it, and this has definitely made me a super satisfied customer with them. So the fact that PenFed does not do this kind of makes me more inclined to not get a credit card with them. And also really quick, if you guys are finding any of this information helpful, if you guys could do me a favor and hit the like button, it, I would really appreciate it because it really helps me out a lot, and then it's also a dope way to help support the channel. But anyways, moving on to our last reason now of why Navy Federal Credit Union is better than PenFed. The last reason why Navy Federal Credit Union is better than PenFed is because Navy Federal Credit Union has a no money down mortgage loan product. For those that don't know, Navy Federal Credit Union has a few different mortgage loan options on their website, and one of those options is going to be called the Home Buyer's Choice Loan. Essentially, what this mortgage loan does is allow you to buy a home without putting any money down and pay no private mortgage insurance on top. Now, you are going to be at a higher interest rate than what you normally would due to the fact that you're not putting any money down, but the fact that you're getting into a home without putting any money down and paying no private mortgage insurance can be really, really helpful. PenFed Credit Union definitely does not offer a mortgage loan product like this besides their VA mortgage loan that are catered to people who are in the military. I made a video not too long ago explaining the no money down home buyer's choice loan with Navy Federal, so if you guys want to watch that video, then feel free to browse my YouTube channel or hit the link in the description below. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to make a quick video stating why Navy Federal Credit Union is better than PenFed. Let me know in the comments below if you think PenFed is better than Navy Federal, or if you think Navy Federal is better than PenFed. I would like to know. Let me know. Don't forget to get your guys' free stock at Robinhood that could potentially be worth all the way to $200 when you guys use my link in the description below. And also, if you guys are looking for a high yield savings account, I personally use SoFi, so that's what I would recommend using. If you guys use my link in the description below, then you can potentially earn all the way up to $325 of free money, so I definitely wouldn't snooze on that while the offer is still available. And also, really quick, I do offer one-on-one consultations. The link will always be in the description below. But if you guys want the chance to win a free 15-minute consultation with me, then just comment the word free game down below and then send an email to my business email stating what you guys would like to talk about. But if you guys made it to the end of the video, then I truly do appreciate you guys. We're at 50,180 subscribers at the time of this recording, so I do appreciate all who watch. I do post weekly videos for those that don't know, and if you guys haven't yet already, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't yet already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that way you guys get notified every time I post a new video. And again, we talk about personal and business credit, real estate, and other financial related topics, so if that's something you're into, then you're probably going to want to consider subscribing. We talk about how to get high limits on your guys' credit cards, talk about how to boost your personal credit, how to obtain business credit, we talk about real estate, we talk about mortgage loan programs, we talk about all that. So this is your one-stop shop. And also, really quick, for those that don't know, I'm a licensed real estate agent here in Southern California and a licensed mortgage loan originator. So if you guys are looking to buy a home, then all my information will always be in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.